it depends on a foundation of criminality.
Criminal. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. So you feel like feel like say the body camera though that
no, no
reduce
bother with
the,
it. No bother with
the police
no bother
brutality and everything.
with
You think the police them should have wear body camera?
Yes, man, the most man, I mean, my man, yes, man, them for wear body camera, man.
So recently the Jamaica Constabulary Force make we know say them now gonna make bodies like Jamaica for Justice and Indicom tell them what to do in regards to wearing body cam. But more I hear from you, the Jamaican people. What do you think? Come make we talk. You think the police them should have wear body camera?
Yes, man, the most man, I mean, my man, yes, man, them for wear body camera, man.
Why you think them to wear it?
Eh? Because we have to swear them a do. We have to when them go from patrol a raid and come in, we have to see when them come in with the camera, we have to swear them on the camera, you know. But when they don't have no camera and go, they can't come in and say anything, they can't say anything at all to the public. But when the camera is there now, and then come in with the camera, we can prove, say boy, I saw it go.
So you feel like say if them wear body camera, you feel like we would have less police brutality and corruption?
We'd have less police brutality, less police killing. Because when they have on the camera, they not going to take a chance when they take when they not when they don't have the camera real. Because enough things go on, you know, where police them say happen when not really happen, you know.
Alright, so what you think them should have do with the footage? You think them should have make it public or them keep it private?
You mean when they go to the camera?
What you think them should have do with the footage? You think them should have show the Jamaican people or the police them keep it private?
No, if they go up on a raid and say boy, all a killing go on or any little thing. If you see camera, if you see it, you know that we are called for. As we want to see it while we calling for the camera, you know. As we want to see the evidence while we calling for the camera. If we don't want to see it, we wouldn't call for it. If you go out and come in back, I go up on a raid and somebody being killed or something, and you say, boy, a shootout or a man shoot after you or a shootout or a man point gun after you. We supposed to see all them something on the camera, you know. When the camera hand on the police, the man it turn on, we supposed to see all these things, you know. So when they come and tell you these things, how we are going to prove the truth?
Alright, so who you think should have it though? You think say the police will have a footage or what independent body if you have it?
Independent body if you have no footage. Every police will go out on a raid. If you have a body camera upon them. Yeah. Every single one. No specific person, no Debakai police, no special person, no Debakai police them with no camera. Police them themselves if you have on the camera.
Alright. So if the police them refuse the camera, what that say to you?
If the police all them for refuse the camera, they can't refuse the camera. If they get the camera for wear, they can't refuse the camera. If you have authority to give them it for wear, they can't refuse it, you know. They cannot refuse it if you have authority to give them the camera for wear. Suppose the commissioner say, boy, we not go this morning, you put on camera, the police can't say no. So it's a bigger authority. And the problem why the police are not wearing the camera. It's a bigger authority, you know. Look how much time they tell us about give police or start wear camera. Yeah. Several times we hear that. Yeah. The police are going to start wear camera. Long time, got how much years now? Now we know see one police are put on camera, go to Virgin and hold back killing. Look at I hold back killing the police go out since the start of this year, you know. Yeah. Hold for murder, hold back killing the police go out since the start of this year.
So, yo, what do you think about the police them and the body camera?
It's good and bad, you know. Good and bad, because sometimes the police have to defend we, you know, and the body camera now go save we, you know. They have to go in and deal with the thing without body camera, you know. You understand?
So you know if you say the body camera that prevent brutality and corruption?
Well, in some sense, because yes, some things can be shown and also some things can tell a different side of the story, because when you have a body camera, sometimes a person can have an angle and things not look as it seems. You understand?
So you feel like the body camera would have changed the police culture in Jamaica?
It would help, but we're not 100% for it.
So you would have more trust in them if them have on body cam?
Why? Yeah, relatively yes. Relatively yes.
Alright, so if they refuse it though, what do you think that's up to you about them?
Well, everybody have a right to refuse certain things in anything in the matter of fact, So if me at the force and me feel like boy the body camera go still me and talk to my girlfriend or my baby mother or something else or when me stop and take her money. Me that is two sides, three sides to the coin. You understand what I say?
So you think say the police them should have the footage or a independent body should have the footage there?
Maybe an independent body still.
Why?
Because then nobody can really say the police edit it. So you go straight to the independent body and then no them release it. So no bias.
So you think the police them should have wear body camera?
Of course,
Why?
because them do a lot of wrongs without the camera, and then when them turn it off when them go do them wrongs.
So if them did have it already, you feel like things would have different on the road?
More different, most likely.
So who you think should have keep the footage? You feel like the police should have keep it or a private body should have in charge of all of them footage there?
All right, you know what I think. I think the camera footage should be at the head office, that them see what going on.
So you don't feel like say them would have turn it off as them please?
No, I don't think the head of the stream is corrupt.
So you say you support the body camera and the police.
Yeah, 100%.
So that would have give you more confidence in the police force?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Cause yeah, what? All right, you say you go report say a man cheat me or them where they and from the man a money and thing.
Yeah.
You know problem, serious problem. Cause the same police you give the statement, go tell the man say that man carry him come at station. Correct?
So you don't feel like say the body camera would have changed the police culture in Jamaica then?
No way. I don't think so.
Respect, yeah. Do you think the police should wear body cameras?
Bullshit. I don't know,
You don't know. Alright. If the police them did wear body cameras, you feel like say would have less corruption and police brutality?
One big well did this, you know.
A big one?
Well did this, so.
A big one did it.
If I were understanding is understanding.
Yeah.
3/4 of these police, no.
No, come in, man.
3/4 of these police, no. Were young. Everything I go on, yeah, so.
Yeah.
Eh?
So, alright, so you personally, you would have more confidence in the police them if them have on body camera?
That could have good.
That would have good.
Yeah. Yeah, that means they must say more on themselves. If they must look real and a figure. Everything is good. No impossible to me, no brother.
So who you think should have control them footage? You think the police should have it or an independent body should have it?
One different way they put me in there, you know.
Oh, but you just can't give me your opinion. Who you think should have control the footage? The police themselves?
The police.
You think
Who are the head of the police?
commissioner?
No most supposed to control those things. Then
So you don't want to see it as a Jamaican? You don't want to see footage them?
everything.
Okay.
Everything.
So you feel like the body camera would have changed the police culture in Jamaica?
Could be.
Okay.
Could be. For them could have seen more things and they might see more things.
So you don't feel like they would have lock you off when they're ready though?
Then lock off.
Yeah.
At a certain point and you know the view. No. Quarter and pint is pint. And big jill. You know big jill, you know half pint.
Alright. Much respect, yeah. Do you think the police should wear body cameras?
No,
Why you think them not to wear it?
no, sir. No. They might protect the town from the go on the town who appear murder and killing or whatever. So
So you feel like say, you don't feel like say if the police then wear body camera that would help with corruption?
yes, yeah.
Alright, so who you think should have keep them footage there? You think the police should have keep it or should have go public?
Police and the soldier them, sir. Because time I get hard now, and the place now run good, I pay murder and thief are going.
But you don't feel like the police are murder some of innocent people them too.
Yes, of course, yes. And it's, yeah,
So you don't feel like you don't trust them more if they have on body camera.
yes, yeah, me trust them.
You trust them.
Yeah, because them I protect me sometime on the road.